Welcome back to the Napa Equine Professional Education Series. In episode 6, we covered why so many of the OE ignition coils fail and how we've engineered Equine coils to address those flaws. So today, let's talk about why ignition coils should be replaced in sets and how to confidently recommend those matched sets to your customers. You already know that the OE coils often fail because of design flaws, exposure to constant heat and vibration, and the increasing demands placed on them as the vehicle ages, especially as the spark plugs wear and the coil has to work harder for the spark to jump a bigger gap to the electrode. So when one coil fails, it's usually a sign the others aren't far behind. The primary reasons for recommending coils being replaced in sets are maintenance and prevention. If the original coil has lasted more than 100,000 miles and failed, it's likely that the others will begin failing as well. Now, the coils are the same age and have been subjected to the exact same conditions. And remember, if the customer drives even a few miles with a failed coil, it can cause damage to costly emissions components like the catalytic converter. Coils can lose spark energy over time, well before total failure. Now, this can reduce performance, especially when towing or hauling. Now, a new matched set of matching coils can restore performance and help prevent intermittent misfires. If a customer does come back with another misfire a week or so after the single coil is replaced, guess who they're going to blame? That's right, either you or the part that you recommended. Either way, they're not going to be happy. Even if they only want one coil, recommend replacing all the coils and installing new spark plugs. It shows you're looking out for them to help them maintain their vehicle correctly. When a coil does fail, especially after 100,000 miles, technicians will almost always replace the spark plugs. If all the spark plugs are being replaced, then there is usually no additional time or work on most vehicles to go ahead and replace the ignition coils as well. Now, this can help save the customer time and money. The quality and performance of the coils you recommend also matter. Many low-cost coils have less bobbins and internal windings than the original design, which means they won't perform as well or last as long. And the OE coils were designed and tested for brand new vehicles with no miles, and they're the same design as the part that just failed. Equine coils help restore performance on older, higher mileage vehicles and even feature specific design improvements to address OE flaws. Equine coils are even available in multi-packs for many popular older vehicles, making it even easier for your customers to replace them in sets. Help your customers avoid future misfires, restore lost power, and save on labor costs by recommending matched sets of ignition coils, helping build trust and even improving customer satisfaction.